front wiper blades on a 2014 Audi A5. So here we have the wiper blades. What we're gonna basically do is put a rag underneath the wiper blades. And what we're gonna do is press down on this little tab that's right here. You can use a flathead or a pick. Sometimes you can even use your finger, but more than likely you're gonna need a pick. Push down on the little tab and you're gonna be able to slide out the wiper blades. Here is the little tab that I was talking about. Now, before you let go of this, don't just let it go and let it slip out of your hand. Go as far as putting down a rag underneath it and then setting it down. The reason why is because this is spring loaded. There is a spring here that will let it push up against the windshield, but if you let it go, it can break the windshield if it hits it hard enough. So just be really careful with setting this down. Now, after you get your new wiper blades, all you're gonna do is the opposite of what we just did. We're gonna slide in the wiper until it clicks. Once it clicks, you remove your rag, set it down, and you're good to go. You do the exact same thing on the driver's side.